obtained his national license in 2005, and he worked in a hospital setting before founding his Rehappy company in 2010, and where he currently serves as a CEO. In 2019, he encountered Keeogo and became the first certified Keeogo master trainer in Japan. Since then, he has been actively engaged in the promotion and educational outreach of Keeogo in Japan. His areas of expertise include community-based physical therapy and psychology, with a strong focus on integrating assistive technology into the local rehab practices. Thank you, Mr. Kashima, and let's welcome him.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for listening to my presentation. My name is Yuji Kashima from Japan, physical therapist, and today I will. Today I will share our approach to improving gait speed in chronic stroke survivors, using Keeogo with low step stair activity, aiming for brisk walking ability to community life. And why community life? Because being able to walk quickly not only improve crossroad but also raising our life possibility, such as catching a bus or a train and playing sports. Click please. No. Okay. Yeah. This is my Jeep. Older people rehabilitation in this area. And next one, please. Yeah. So click please. Yeah. This woman suffered a stroke in her teens and had given up running. 3 years after her stroke, she encountered Keeogo and was able to remember how to run. Our main objective was to examine the effectiveness of low-step stair activity using Keeogo for achieving a brisk walking pace. Specifically, we focus on chronic stroke survivors, where walking speed is a critical factor for independence. In Japan, this is especially important because crossroads are timed for a speed of at least 1 meter per second. Yeah. Many stroke survivors have difficulty achieving this 1 meter per second walking speed due to several challenges. One is muscle weakness, two, poor balance, and fear of falling, and reduced proportion of the paralytic limb. Existing studies support methods such as traditional training, functional electrical stimulation, assistive devices, and approaches based on the 6-minute walk test. However, only a few studies have examined the role of stair negotiation in improving walking speed. We consider that stair activity might target specific gait phases and muscle activation patterns, making it a promising addition, especially when combined with the assistive support of Keeogo. In a previous Japanese physical therapy conference case study, we found that Keeogo provided several benefits. It reduces effort in the paralytic lower limb. It improves range of motion and deep sensory input. It it decreases muscle tone and it increases muscle output. These effects enhance trunk alignment and gait efficiency. The patient's self-reported walking satisfaction improved from 6 to 8 out of 10. A meaningful improvement not just in function, but in quality of life. To walk quickly, it is necessary to move the center of gravity forward quickly. But in stroke survivors, there are notable challenges in both the early stance and late stance phases. The early stance phases often lack stability, while the late stance phase suffers from reduced proportion. When we walk too quickly, we learn to our trunk and keep this position and move our hip to extend. But stroke survivors didn't do that. They walk like this. Most important thing is their weight maintained on back leg weight. So this pattern guided our choice of training activity. So stepping up the stair engages early stance mechanism from initial contact to mid stance, focusing on stability and controlled loading. Stepping down engages late stance mechanisms from terminal stance to press swing, focusing on proportion and weight shift. This makes their activity a naturally task-specific training method for both stance phases. Let's click, please. This is our training. For the intervention, we use low step of 5 to 10 centimeters. Patient perform 2 or more conservative steps with a forward trunk learn to encourage active weight loading on the front leg. So, Keeogo support functions were gradually adjusted, including angle settings, ramp-up timing, and hip eccentric support. Based on the patient progress, safety was always prohibited. Choosing appropriate step height for the patient muscle strength. Avoiding a patient with severe spasticity or limited dorsiflexion. Monitoring fatigue and preventing overexertion. Over 4 monthly sessions, we observed right side is 4 months later. Improved weight bearing on the paralytic limb. Reduced compensate hip and trunk movement. No adverse event during sessions. These gradual changes indicated that even low-frequency, well-targeted stair training could contribute to gait improvement. The combination of Keeogo with low-step stair activity provides a safe environment for moderate-level task-specific practice. Repeatable movement patterns that promote motor learning. Support for both sagittal and transverse weight shift. Enhances lower limb loading and stance transition. And importantly, Keeogo allows these benefits while maintaining psychological safety, which helps patients challenge themselves without fear. In summary, stair activity with Keeogo offers a novel, safe, and task-specific approach to brisk gait training in chronic stroke survivors. Its key strength is the ability to decompose movement while ensuring patient safety. The challenge is quantify how much this training transfers to daily walking. Our future direction is to explore long-term application in community during stroke survivors and develop objective measures to track progress. Here are some references. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation encounters more clinicians and researchers to explore stair-based Keeogo training as a bridge to functional gait improvement. Please feel free to reach out after the session. So keep on going. Let's work together to broader world when we can regain the freedom of movement. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kashima. All right. So today, from the very